I'm Kyle Barker, and this is your CTTS Tech Tip of the Week. Have you ever wanted to capture something that's on your screen, but didn't quite know how to do that? Well, what you need is the snipping tool. But the good news is, you probably already have the tool if you have one of the latest versions of Windows. Just go to the search box and type in snipping tool. There it is, and click new. And you can make one of 4 different types of snips. You can do a freeform snip. You can do a rectangular snip. You can make a snip of one of the windows that's open on your desktop, or you can make a snip of your entire screen. And then after you make the snip, you can write on it, you can print it, and obviously you can save it. It's just that easy. And to make it even easier for next time, pin it to your taskbar and it'll always be accessible to you. Well, now you can do your best Joey Gladstone and cut it out. And I'll see you next Tech Tip Tuesday.